I got sick and I totally deserve it. I've been seeing this iodine nasal spray on my FYP. My gut been screaming at me to buy this, but I didn't. I cheaped out and here we are. You're supposed to spray this iodine nasal spray every single time you go in public or you've been in public. All that you inhale, potential like bacteria and viruses, this nasal spray is supposed to clean this out. I learned my lesson. I'm not making this mistake twice because it's been a week of me feeling like absolute disaster. I'll link it for you below. Don't be me. You don't have to suffer.